How are you, sir?
I am doing good. What's your name again?
My name is Farabi. Mehdi and me, we are teammate.
Farabi?
Yeah.
Okay, hello.
Yeah. Hi, sir. So Mehdi and me, we are teammate, and we have a big digital marketing agency, and basically we do YouTube SEO and promotions related work. Our teammate Mehdi Hassan audited your YouTube channel and found some problem. And if you can fix that problem, then your channel possible to grow. And as you see, my play button is hanging behind me. So basically we do is YouTube SEO and promotions related work. YouTube SEO means search engine optimization. Search engine means we will optimize your video title, we will optimize your video description, and we will research high volume rank tag for your videos. And when you put that high volume rank tag to your videos, then your video will go top on YouTube. When someone search related to your video, then you will get more organic views. This is the organic method, but it takes sometimes to get result 1 to 2 weeks, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
I am interested. Can I say a few things?
sure.
So, I'm definitely interested, and here's why I'm interested. To start off with, I am the one who just takes care of the whole YouTube stuff for my dad. The one who you emailed is my father, but I have access to his emails, and we check the emails together. So, he's the owner of everything, but I am the one who manages different things for him. And with that being said, we have a church. Our YouTube page is all about our church, Living Word Church, and we we got very blessed to had it just it took off after a while. It became something very big on YouTube. Well, for us, we consider it big. I know compared to many others, it would be very small, but for coming from a old channel that was only just a few hundred views and thing, we consider it a big step up. And I'm definitely interested in having you guys help us fix this problem that you mentioned for so that one day we can have our YouTube videos getting hopefully up to some millions of views, way more subscribers, maybe hundreds of thousands of subscribers. And yeah, that's the goal. So whatever you guys can help with in that area, that would do great.
So we will do SEO exacted your niche base and location base, and which location you are your targeted location and your targeted niche base optimizations, and you will get views from your targeted location and targeted niche base targeted people your video will watch. And for YouTube SEO we have two packages. One is weekly packages and another is monthly packages. For weekly packages, we will do your 10 video SEO optimizations for a week, and it costs $120. And for a month, we will do you 30 video SEO, and it costs $300, sir.
Okay.
So I
I
think,
would say
yeah.
I would say just for the very fact that I would like to give it a try, I would probably go with the 10 videos package to begin with. And definitely if I see this a big difference, a big change, I would not have a problem with upgrading to the 30 video one.
Okay, sir. And I think you would be satisfied. At first, you take our 1 week service, and if you think that our method is work for you, then you can hire for a month, sir.
Yeah.
Everything our teammate Mehdi Hassan will send to you, and after receiving the mail, you just send your 10 video link, and we will start our project, sir.
Sounds good. I'm very interested and I'm ready for this.
Okay, sir. Thanks for your time, and hope to work with you for a long time. And thanks for your time again, sir. Bye for now.
Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.